Hi friends, I'm Likhitha H. Welcome to Code2create channel. In this video, we're going to see how to connect and control the state of LED, and also we're going to see how to connect and control the state of multiple LEDs individually. Let's go for it. The materials required for this experiment are a breadboard, a Arduino Uno board, USB cable, 3 LED lights of different color, and a 220 ohm resistor and few jumper wires. Let's see the schematic diagram of how we connect these things to the circuit. This is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. The positive terminal goes up like this and it gets connected to a resistor of 20 ohms, 220 ohms. And the other leg of the resistor gets connected to the long leg, which means the positive leg of the LED. And the negative leg of the LED gets connected directly to the ground. In this circuit, the positive terminal can be a digital pin, any digital pin from 1 to 13. I am taking a digital pin number 8. If we want to control the state of another LED, we can replicate the same circuit. I am connecting a computer to the Arduino Uno board using a USB cable. I am taking a green color LED. And connecting its two legs to two random columns. Next, I am taking a 220 ohm resistor. And connecting it to the long leg of the LED, which means the positive leg of the LED. Connecting the first leg of the resistor to the positive leg of the LED, which means the long leg of the LED, and the other leg of the resistor to random column. I am taking a jumper wire and connecting it to the second leg of the resistor, and the other leg of the jumper wire I am connecting it to pin number 8. Next, I am taking another jumper wire and connecting it to the negative leg of the LED, which means the short leg of the LED, and the other side of the jumper wire I am connecting it to ground. The circuit of single LED is completed. Now let's see how to code for it. Now I am opening Arduino Uno IDE. In the word setup I am writing it as pin mode with M uppercase. It recognizes our code, that's why it has turned the color to orange. And within a bracket I am writing the digital pin, which is pin number 8, and it is an output, so I am writing output with all uppercase and ending with a semicolon. The void setup is completed. Let's come to the void loop. In the void loop we write digital write with W uppercase, and within a bracket we write the pin, which is 8, and we want it high or low, which means on or off. So first we'll see how to on it, and then let's see how to off it, and then let's see how to blink it. So first let's see how to on. So I'm putting high with all uppercase and ending with a semicolon. The code is completed. Let's verify it. So it's right, our code is right. And now let's upload it. And there we go, the light is on. Now we have seen how to on it. Let's see how to off it. The same pin mode and 8 output, there is no change in the void setup. In the void loop, this high will make it as low with all uppercase again. It recognizes, that's why it has turned to blue color. Let's verify it. And now let's upload it. And there we go, the LED is off. Now we have seen how to on it and off it. Now let's see how to blink it. In the void loop again, there's no change in the void setup. Let's come to the void loop and change this low to high. As first, while blinking it should on and then it should off. So I'll make it as high. And now delay, which means it waits some time for on-ing and then it off for a particular time. And within a bracket I'm writing the time. Within a bracket I am writing how many milliseconds I want it to be on and how many milliseconds I want it to be off. I want it to be on for 100 milliseconds. So I write 100 and close the bracket and ending with a semicolon. The same over here, I write digital write with W uppercase. And within a bracket I write the pin which is 8 and low as we wanted to off this time. And ending with a semicolon. And now let's write delay. And within a bracket we write 100 as we wanted to off for 100 milliseconds and again go to the on. And on for 100 and it repeats. Ending with a semicolon. And now let's just verify it. And now let's upload it. And there we go, the LED is blinking. Let me alter the delay time. Over here, as 100 milliseconds, I'll change it to 50 milliseconds, which is very fast. And let's verify it and upload it. And now guys, it's blinking so fastly. Now let me alter it again and make it from 50 to 500. And let's upload it. And there we go, it's so slow. Now let's see how to control and connect the state of multiple LEDs. I'm taking an LED of blue color and connecting it to two random columns. And then now as we need 3 grounds, we don't have them in our Arduino Uno board. So I'm taking the jumper wire and connecting it to the ground. Taking out this end of the LED, the first LED, and I'm connecting the ground to the topmost row of the breadboard. I'm connecting the other legs that have to be connected to ground to the top row to the same row where the ground was connected. Now let's continue with this circuit. I'm taking a 220 ohm resistor again. Connecting it to the positive leg of the LED, which means the long leg of the LED, and the other leg of the resistor to a random column. I'm taking a jumper wire and connecting it to the second leg of the resistor, and the other side of the jumper wire is being connected to a pin, which is pin number 10. Next, I'm taking another jumper wire and connecting it to the negative leg of the LED, which means the short leg of the LED, to the ground, which was on the topmost row, like this. And now, I'm taking a red color LED, doing the same what I did for blue color LED. I'm connecting it to two random columns. And then I'm taking a 220 ohm resistor and then connecting the 220 ohm resistor to the positive leg of the LED. Like this. And the other leg of the resistor to random column. I'm taking another jumper wire and connecting it to the second leg of the resistor and connecting this other side of the jumper wire to a pin, which is pin number 12. And next, I'm taking another jumper wire and connecting it to the negative leg of the LED and connecting it to the negative leg of the LED, which means the short leg of the LED. And the other side of jumper wire is being connected to ground. Now we have completed the circuit. Let's make it work. In the wire setup, as I wrote pin mode 8 and output, I'm adding other 2 pins as we have 2 LEDs, 2 another LEDs. I'm saying pin mode with M uppercase And within a bracket I'm writing the pin which is and within a bracket I'm writing the second pin which is pin number 10 and output with all uppercase. Closing the bracket and ending with a semicolon. We have another LED, so I'm writing another pin mode with M uppercase, and within a bracket I'm writing this third pin which is pin number 12 and output as it is an output and ending with a semicolon. Let's come to the void loop, and over here in the delay let's repeat the same. So I'm just going to Control C and Control V. And over here the pin is pin number 8, so let me change it to pin number 10. Enter and again Control V for the third pin, and the third pin is pin number 12, so I'm making it pin number 12 and pin number 12. Let's verify it. And now let's upload it. I've changed the digital pin from digital pin number 10 to pin number 11 as digital pin 10 was not working fine. Now let's verify it and upload it. There we go, the lights are blinking. There we go, the LEDs are blinking. All of them, and they're very slow. So for now, let's change this 500 to 50 as they're very slow. We want them a bit fast. Let's upload it now. And there we go, the blinking is so fast. Let's make it to 100. So we have seen how to change everything together. Now let's see how to change it to different timing. I'm making this the blue color LED to 100 milliseconds. And the red color LED to 50 milliseconds and the green color LED to 500 milliseconds. Let's upload and see how it works. And there we go. Fast. This is slow. Now I'm changing the timing to 250 milliseconds and let's see how slowly it works. Let's upload it. And there we go. They're so slow. Now let's keep the blue color LEDs timing to 250 milliseconds itself and the red color LED to 100 milliseconds and the green color LED to 550 milliseconds. And let's upload it. Let's verify it and then upload it.
Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.